Hello Vivekians, this is Aman ma'am, English teacher for grade 4. I welcome you to the second day of English subjects chapter number 4, A Letter to My Friend. In the previous day's video, we have read about a friend named Karthik who writes a letter to his friend Geeta, who is disheartened on not being able to participate in the school's annual dance competition. And Karthik also tells how he was also not allowed to participate in the annual day celebration of his school. वो अपनी फ्रेंड गीता को लेटर में लिखता है कि उसको कितना बुरा लगा जब वो एनुअल फंक्शन में he was not allowed to participate. He cries on looking at his other classmates performing, and his class in charge, Mrs. Kalyani, she sees him crying and asks Karthik whether he wants to know the reason why he is not allowed to participate. She takes him to the organizer of the annual day celebration. Now let us start with today's part of the story. Miss Srividya saw us walking to her and became anxious upon seeing me in tears. Now there is one more character here, Miss Srividya, who gets nervous on seeing Karthik and Mrs. Kalyani coming while Karthik is crying. When she found out the reason for my tears, she gave me a hug. She explained that I had never presented anything in front of the whole class. तुमने कभी पहले पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं किया पूरी क्लास के सामने. नॉर हैड आई एवर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन एनी कॉम्पिटिशन और इवेंट. ना किसी कॉम्पिटिशन ना इवेंट, किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट तो किया नहीं था कार्तिक ने. Even though I got constant encouragement, I never spoke in the class. She further explained that the annual dance competition was a big event which many people came to see. She asked me to imagine how I would feel if I had made a mistake while performing at such an event. अगर तुम इतने बड़े फंक्शन पे इतने बड़े इवेंट पे अगर कोई गलती कर दोगे तो तुम्हें कैसा लगेगा. She also told me that she didn't want me to perform in front of so many people unprepared. I understood what she was trying to say. I promised her that I would work hard and participate in as many events as I could. अब कार्तिक को तो रीज़न समझ में आ गया था कि उसको पार्टिसिपेट क्यों नहीं करने दिया गया. After that day, I made many big and small presentations in front of the class. Now he got encouragement. उसको पता चल गया कि मैं क्लास के सामने तो बोल नहीं पाता था, एनुअल डे पे कैसे पार्टिसिपेट करता. सो नाउ ही स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग बिग एंड स्मॉल प्रेजेंटेशंस. वाइल डूइंग दिस आई वॉज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड माई वीकनेस, मैनी ऑफ माई वीकनेसेस एंड वर्क ऑन देम. अब उसको अपनी वीकनेसेस का भी पता चला कि मैं क्या गलतियाँ करता था. देयर वॉज नो स्टॉपिंग मी आफ्टर दैट. You will be pleased to know that I participated in our school's annual day the year after that. In fact, I didn't just participate in the event, I was the head of the student organizing committee. Everyone praised me and my efforts. I was so happy. अब कार्तिक ने इतना हार्ड वर्क किया कि वो स्टूडेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी का हेड भी बन गया और सब ने उसको इतना प्रेज़ किया. If Miss Srividya had not stopped me from participating that day, I would have never known my weakness. अब उसको अपनी weaknesses का पता चला. He worked on his weakness and he overcome his weaknesses. The decision that had once broken my heart was later something that I felt very thankful for. एक बार तो टीचर की बात का हमें बुरा लगता है, हमारा दिल भी टूट जाता है, बट इट इज़ फॉर आवर बेनिफिट. हमें उससे कुछ सीखने को ही मिलता है. सेम हैपेंड विद कार्तिक. आई टोल्ड यू दिस स्टोरी टू एनकरेज यू टू फाइंड आउट द रीज़न वाई यू वर नॉट अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट. अब वो गीता को बोल रहे कि तुम भी जाके रीज़न ढूंढो कि तुम्हें पार्टिसिपेट क्यों नहीं करने दिया. यू कैन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड योर वीकनेस एंड इम्प्रूव ऑन योर सेल्फ. डू इट एंड यू विल सी हाउ एवरी वन विल प्रेज यू. ओके, please do give it a thought. If my suggestion helps you and things work out for you, please write me a letter and tell me all about it. I will wait for your letter. Please give my regards to uncle and aunt. अब कार्तिक ने अपनी फ्रेंड को बोला कि तुम भी जाओ और पार्टिसिपेट ना कर पाने का रीज़न ढूंढो. और अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ तो मेरे को एक बार लेटर ज़रूर लिखना. and give my regards to uncle and aunt. Your friend Karthik. Here the letter from Karthik has ended. I hope it is all clear to you. Now coming up to the spelling bee, you need to practice these words: disheartened, participate, annual, experience, irritable, concentrate, reassure, anxious, committee, encouraged. Coming up to I wonder. A letter is just one way of communicating with others. It requires the knowledge of a language. How do you think people communicated with each other when languages were not invented? अब लैंग्वेजेस नहीं थी तो लोग एक दूसरे से बात कैसे करते थे? ये तो सोचने वाली बात है. हाउ डू यू थिंक पीपल विल कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर 100 years फ्रॉम नाउ? See, now the technology has changed a lot. Now people communicate using cell phones. Earlier they used to be letters only. Think over it. Coming up to the next part, that is, let's try one. Read these sentences and write true or false against each statement. Now अगर आपको चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है तो यू विल बी एबल टू डू द ट्रू फॉल्स ऑन योर ओन इन अ बेटर वे. I'll do the first one for you. Geeta did not want to participate in her school's competition. क्या गीता पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहती थी? No, the statement is false. She wanted to participate. Now you will be doing the rest of the parts on your own. Coming to let's try to fill in the blanks with words from the text to complete the sentences. I have done the first one for you. Geeta was feeling disheartened. Now you will be doing the other parts on your own. Students, while we were doing the chapter, you might have noticed there are few words underlined in your chapter. Those are the dictation words. Write those words in your notebook in a proper way. Also, there are word meanings and make sentences of assignment 2. You need to do those also in your notebook. I hope you all have done your assignment 1. Don't forget to follow these instructions. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks. Bye-bye.